Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF2SSYT, serial number 1089065. This machine was new in 2011 and we are running it. Machine has the Haas control with rigid tapping, rotation and scaling, quick code, spindle orientation, networking, macros, DNC enabled, advanced tool management, lots of things.
4,000 RPM.
Right now we're running at 4,000 RPM. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. Machine's equipped also with Renishaw probing, whips, wireless intuitive programming system, 8,000 RPM. That's 10,000 RPM. Machine has a 36 by 14 table with 30 inches of X travel. We're going to do a tool change now. You have a 24 ATC Cat 40 spindle. You saw it run. Running the X. Okay. The Y. And the Z. This machine also does have the coolant system and the chip auger. Hey, thank you for watching our video.